Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series lesson 42b, in which we will take Amr forms i'lam and i'mal. There are 4 important styles of a verb. For the first style, the 3 verb keys are fataha, yaftahu, and the Amr form will be you drop ya of yaftahu, make last letter silent, and you are left with ftah. And to say it properly, you add temporary I there. Fataha, yaftahu, iftah. Similarly, for the second style, nasara, yansuru, unsur. And the third one, daraba, yadribu, idrib. And the last one, sami'a, yasma'u, isma'. This one is like yaftahu, iftah, yasma'u, isma'. Let's take 2 verbs on the same style, that is the 4th style, alima and amila. Can you translate i'lam?
No.
I'lamu?
No.
La ta'lam?
Don't know.
La ta'lamu?
Don't know.
Repeat after me. I'lam, i'lamu.
I'lam, i'lamu.
La ta'lam, la ta'lamu.
La ta'lam, la ta'lamu.
MashaAllah. Let's take dialogues now. Okay, answer me. I'lam.
Sawfa a'lamu.
I'lamu.
Sawfa na'lamu.
Let's take another verb. Amila, ya'malu, i'mal. Translate. i'mal.
Do.
i'malu.
Do.
La ta'mal.
Don't do.
La ta'malu.
Don't do.
Again. i'mal.
Do.
i'malu.
Do.
La ta'mal.
Don't do.
La ta'malu.
Don't do.
Alright. Can you repeat after me? i'mal. i'malu.
i'mal, i'malu.
La ta'mal. La ta'malu.
La ta'mal, la ta'malu.
i'mal. i'malu.
i'mal, i'malu.
La ta'mal. La ta'malu.
La ta'mal, la ta'malu.
Let's take dialogues now. I will say i'mal, do, and you will say sawfa a'malu, soon I will do, and so on. So answer me. i'mal.
Sawfa a'malu.
i'malu.
Sawfa na'malu.
Again. i'mal.
Sawfa a'malu.
i'malu.
Sawfa na'malu.
Let's add an object here. Salihan, something good. Like amanu wa amilu salihat or amila salihan. So I am saying i'mal, do salihan, something good. You will say sawfa a'malu salihan, soon I will do something good, and so on. So answer me. i'mal salihan.
Sawfa a'malu salihan.
i'malu salihan.
Sawfa na'malu salihan.
Again. i'mal salihan.
Sawfa a'malu salihan.
i'malu salihan.
Sawfa na'malu salihan.
That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.